Vivid's light show in Sydney on a guided tour with a few camera guys from Canon, Sony, Fuji, but most importantly Olympus. So the Olympus guys should be there. Hopefully I'm going to try out some of their lenses. G'day, how you going? So we're at Camera House is organising a walk for Vivid around here, all these people from Camera House, and we're going to try and go around Vivid and all the lights of Sydney. So first time I've ever been on one, I don't even know what the hell they're separating us. I'm here with my sister and I'm going to get my little attachment here and we're going to check out what's going on with Vivid. So first time I've ever been to Vivid, and hopefully some of the camera guys, you've got Olympus, Fuji, Canon, Nikon here, they're going to give us some tips, maybe, I don't know. Alright, so this is it, we're on our walk now. They got food and everything here. Somehow I got lumped in with Panasonic. I don't know why. Somehow I ended up in the Panasonic group. Where's the OM Systems group? So I think what we do is we swap around. This is where the boats come in, where you say goodbye to your loved ones on the boats, and this is one of the best vantage points in Sydney for it. Got the views all around there. Fire! I didn't even realise this place was here. And I got the guy from Panasonic here.
I think will be like the city looking in a particular way, which it doesn't look any other time, right? So even next year's Vivid, the lights of the buildings will be different colours and things. So from this particular spot, it's very, very hard to get a foreground subject because you're up so high. So you can think about the boats and how they're moving. It's going to be a pretty tight frame on the opera house to shoot that way. The other thing about Vivid this year, which is a little bit different, is that there's a lot of beams in the sky, right? So the photos you're going to really want tonight at the opera house are going to be the pattern you like with the beams where you want them to be.
Rob the Panasonic guy is telling me some really good shots just here for a fisheye, because I got my TTArtisan fisheye lens with me, 7.5, and he said just here you can get some really good perspective fisheye, so maybe that might work. A little bit dark there, so the thing with this, you got to manually focus because it's not a native lens. It's the TTArtisan's lens, so I've got to manually focus everything, and I left my bloody glasses at home. So here we are with Olympus this time, OM Systems, and they've got a theme going tonight. If I can take a photo of a ghost, I'll win an EM10 Mark IV. So look for a ghost job. I want to win that EM10. And I've done the Harbour Bridge. Let's take a wide angle here. Who's that? Is that us? Is it? Oh, already. Is that SpongeBob? So how are you finding it? Yeah. Taking any good shots?
Just really close.
You got your new,
so.
got your new 40 to 150 lens.
Yeah, have a go at it.
Came today.
It arrived today.
Yeah. How are you finding using it?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, zooming in. Love the zoom. Yeah. Yeah, Jai, I found the ghost. There you go. Cop that, Olympus. Wrong location.
You found him?
I found the ghost. I'm at Canon now, and with Canon you can win an RP. So, and the theme is harmony and rhythm, the rhythm of the night. So let's see what kind of a photo I can take under the theme harmony and rhythm, because I really want to win that RP full frame. Anything over a second and you're going to shake. Okay, so I've switched to the 17mm 1.7. I think that might have been the better choice tonight. But I'm struggling with the fisheye. I mean, I might have got some good shots, I'm not sure, but following the guys around, you kind of get a little bit flustered and you don't know what the hell you're up to. So I tried my sister's 40 to 150, like things like the Harbour, the Opera House over there, just so I can get like a fill the frame type shot. So, but anyway, let's try out this 17mm. Tell you what, with the 17mm 1.8, much better. Getting heaps more light. I'm at 1 second, 1.5 seconds though. Everything's going to be bloody blurry. But that's a good shot here, Joe. Yeah. See if you can get the moon in. Try and as a. It might be a bit blown out though. You need to have a tripod. Let's see if I can shoot through this gated thing. Sometimes a shot of the gate there, actually the symbol there, whatever. It might be a bit dark though. That might be a shot. I don't know what the hell this is. This is where the ghost. There you go, Olympus. I found the ghost. Okay, so that was it. So the vivid walk. First time I've ever done it, so it's quite a good experience. I mean, half the shots, they're very, very vivid. You don't really need to put your camera on vivid mode, that's for sure. A little bit oversaturated, but that's the whole point of it. And I used, I took my TTArtisan lens, the big bulbous bloody thing. You can see there. Not 7Artisan, TTArtisan. It's the sister company. And then I also brought the 17mm Olympus, which I found that to be a little bit better. This is creative, the fisheye, especially if you want to get the whole bloody thing in. So I'll get a plug for Camera House for setting all that up. Camera House is like a big chain here in Australia. But tell you what though, they went out because they said the camera company's full on. I only paid 20 bucks for that walk. And I got like $100 worth of gear in here, or swag. Nice little show bag that they gave us, which was unreal. Sony hat. That's all right. Samyang, they were there too. I forgot to mention them. I think they do lenses and tripods. Samyang hat, that was pretty good. They gave us this Crazy Legs tripod. That looks like a premium one too. Here's one. My sister gave me all of her stuff as well, but it's one of those ones. It's quality, pretty good, that one. What else did they give me? The only thing I got from Olympus, I was gonna ask, hey, can someone swap this bloody Sony for an Olympus hat? I didn't realise until I got home that everyone got different hats. You know, I think it was just a lucky dip. I got this Olympus, I don't know what it is, key ring. I think it's I think you put your SD cards in there, so spewing. I wanted a hat. I wanted some swag from Olympus, OM Systems. Sony book, so I can write next week's episode or Tippy Tail Tuesday. I got a $20 voucher from Camera House, so they paid for itself. And my sister gave me hers, so that's $40. I'll probably end up buying film because I get my film from there. They're the only ones who sell bloody film near me anyway. Fujifilm XGFX. Yeah, that'll go well with my bike. I got a new bike, so that's for that. It's a nice premium Fujifilm GFX book. That's alright. More tales of Rob and Jerry will go in there. You wouldn't believe it. The Joby camera sling. After I just bought that other one. So, oh well, it's always good to have two. What else? A Sony Alpha keychain. So, geez, they're big on Sony, aren't they? That's one already. And Camera House. And Tales of the Light. Some DVD. Yeah, so, and the bag. Not bad for $20 and the experience and talking with all the guys. I felt like I was a little bit rushed. That's probably just me because I'm a bit slow. I need to take my time, and it was very dark. So I mean, if you can see from the footage, you can't even see half of it. But that Rob guy from Panasonic, he was really cool. He was talking to me a lot, probably because we were the first ones there, and then it kind of, when we went to the other guys, Canon, Olympus and Sony and Nikon, I think I didn't even see Nikon because it got later on in the night and everyone was kind of like, but overall I think this was the first time that they did this and it turned out pretty good. Anyway, that's my night photography vivid experience. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.